Odisha is a coastal state. The Bay of Bengal straddles a good part of its eastern borders. The coastal districts have high population density. They contain the floodplains of a number of rivers and are rich with alluvial soil that supports high agricultural production. The Bay of Bengal is traditionally prone to cyclonic storms during the months of September and November. The supercyclone that hit Odisha in 1999 had taken away almost 10,000 lives. A very large part of the state was devastated with floods on its wake. Immediately afterwards, the government of Odisha had set up the State Disaster Mitigation Management Authority to put in place a disaster preparedness blueprint. In October 2013, once again, a supercyclonic storm Phylin formed over the Bay of Bengal and moved towards Odisha's coast. Phylin had landfall at Gopalpur. The coast of Ganjam district remained on its line of fury. Houses were damaged, electricity supply was disrupted, trees were uprooted, and communication network was affected. However, the loss of life was minimal. This was due to large-scale evacuation of people and shifting them to cyclone shelters that was accomplished by the government agencies during the critical period. What was the severity? How the lives were saved? How was it managed?
This is the first project taken up by Government of Odisha, supported by World Bank, for construction of disaster resilient houses for Phylin affected people in these two districts, namely Khorda and Ganjam.
The cyclone abated and people began to return to their villages. But their dwellings were uninhabitable now. The cyclone has damaged everything. Whatever was left were in ruins. Given the inherent logistical challenge, mass evacuation of the type undertaken during Phylin could not be the norm. What then would be a sustainable solution? How would life and property of people be secured? Odisha State Disaster Management Authority (OSDMA) undertook one of the biggest housing projects to build 30,000 disaster-resistant houses. While the quantitative goal made this unprecedented, what made the project unique was its core philosophy of owner-driven construction of housing (ODCH). This meant that the target households would be involved in and responsible for construction throughout the project. All agencies will play facilitative roles to enable the target households to assume such critical role in the project process. 7 blocks, 5 in Ganjam and 2 in Khorda, were selected. The Odisha Disaster Recovery Project got commissioned.
ये हूँ आमर ओस्तापल्ली रिलोकेशन साइट आमपाई सबुठ बड़ चैलेंज थिला खोर्धार रिलोकेशन एथिपाई आम बहुत कष्ट स्वीकार करी एठी लोक मानकु मोटिवेट करी पाखापाखि 7-8 किलोमीटर दूर से ए जगह नहीं आसचु से एठी आसिक निजे भी घर कर
मोर ओस्तापल्ली आमर निज गाँ हूँ इंजनपुर आमर घर फाइलिन सब भांगिकी विच्छिन्न हो जाता से आमको सरकार ओस्तापल्ली घर देइछि जगह सह घर देइछि।
This is Mangalajuri project. We have relocated this project nearby villages like Sundarpur and Bhushanpur.
After filing 183 ODCH houses under ODRP has been sanctioned to this block, and now 183 houses are in full construction of 183 houses in full swing, and I hope during the month of May all houses will be completed and will be handed over to the concerned beneficiaries.
सरकार जे बात्यारे आसिकी आमको घर देइछन्ती आम परिवार सह समस्त खुशी रे अछु.
For an executive, we always face challenges, and overcoming challenges is our day-to-day responsibility, and we take delight in that. Initially, when we are going to take up the in-situ houses, we found that in some places the site was not adequate enough to have to locate the ODRP houses for their specification, for which we had to shift the houses. So initially, some of the people were not willing to leave from their own village and to resettle in another village. So we had to motivate those people. We had to motivate the people in the new habitations where they would be shifted. There are also a lot of challenges, and we have overcome that, and I'm happy.
Till now we have completed 144 houses in near about 70 villages of Chilka and Tangi Tahsil. We have done many relocation houses. 144 families have already been shifted to their new residences constructed. We are also going to prepare all the infrastructure arrangement for them, and by end of May we are going to complete all the 271 houses, and the people are very happy because these disaster resilience houses have provided them the scope to be safe during the calamity days.
गंजाम जिला में फाइलिन आफेक्टेड लोक बात्या निरोध गृह जोगाई देवाई सरकार द्वारा प्रोजेक्ट तैयारी करागला.
ये प्राय 104 जन इन बेनिफिशियरीज रोचंती ये बेनिफिशियरी आम सिविल बाबू मैंने घर तैयारी कर सारे तापर इलेक्ट्रिकल काम आसे इलेक्ट्रिकल आम बहुत ये जो हिली एरिया आम बहुत हडल्स फेस कलु एने हाउ समस्त प्रचेषा सत्वे ये समस्त घर को विद्युतकरण करागला.
सर एक्चुअली सर गोटे घर को 3 लाख टका मिलूँ तेणुक किसी पैसा बेनिफिट हम बोली कॉमनवेल्थ दिखाई 2टा घर जॉइंट हो कॉमनवेल्थ दिखाई
लाभवान से
सर 2टा कांथ होता जेहतु कॉमन है गोटे कांथ है गोटे कांथर बेनिफिट 2 जन बेनिफिशियरी पाइले
आपणकर एठी कोन पे आछंती
एटी घर बांधे पे आसु
अच्छा ये जो 2 जन आप ठिया 2 जन गोटे घर करछंती
ना 2टा घर आज्ञा
अच्छा घर कोन पे आपण सरकार देले आपनको
आमर जो रिलीफ नष्ट है
केबे फाइलिन बाती आइतला
2013
कोन खेती हेतला ता
घर द्वार तापर जाल डंगा आउ गछ पत्र सब बहुत किसी नष्ट हो
ए घर कोन पे जोड़ा हैची
2टा घर हमर जोड़ा हैची पैसा आता करियो पे
पैसा बचे कि कोन करिवे
घर अंबागिरी आता बांधु
आउ टिके बड़ करी
बांधे बंधु
Gram Vikas was chosen as the socio-technical partner in this project. With its track record in community-oriented projects and socio-economic participatory programs, Gram Vikas had its role cut out. Its role principally had 4 components. First, site settlement planning, housing and public infrastructure like roads, drains, community halls, etc. Designs, facilitation in preparation of estimations. Second, design and development of a web-based MIS to support in project implementation. Third, social mobilization that included inter alia motivation of potential house owners, enabling them through education and communication to play the critical role in construction by supplying them with housing options, guiding them in procurement of materials and labor, creating a cadre of masons, forming of community institutions, and fourth and the last, a general supporting role for PMU and DPIU in project implementation.
We were associated as socio-technical partners. Our responsibilities included planning architectural drawings and engineering designs, which is one component to develop habitat plans and infrastructures. Second component was to develop an MIS for the entire project, and combining the two, the third was about social mobilization. The major responsibility, one of the key responsibilities that we had was to enable the beneficiaries such that they can play their rightful role in this owner-driven construction of housing.
Gram Vikas coordinated with the PMU and DPIU, cyclone-affected communities and stakeholders at various levels. As the project had to be completed within a period of 2 years, house construction, completion and occupation by the affected households was the prime objective. Gram Vikas accepted the challenge and went ahead with the process with professional efficiency and dedicated action plan.
You know, ODRP project has been designed in a different methodology, like ODCH, Owner Driven Construction House. We faced a lot of challenge to design this project, to complete this project, because to mobilize the beneficiary to construct their house. A lot of challenges we faced initially in the field. To mobilize the beneficiary to construct their house, a lot of the mason problem, material problem, lot of problems are in the field. We, Gram Vikas team, with the help of all the government officers, we have completed this project.
ముందు రెండు ట్రైనింగ్లోటి నన్ను నేర్చాను గ్యామ్ వికాస్లోటి. ఆ తర్వాత ఒక మేస్త్రి నేను ఎక్కువ మా మిల్లు మా సొంత కట్టుకున్నాము. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఎవరి పని ఉంటే మేము వెళ్ళి ఒక మేస్త్రితోటి మనం సాయం చేసుకొని కట్టుతున్నాము.
Since Ganjam Tahsil is a coastal Tahsil in Ganjam district and cyclone prone area, providing cyclone resilient houses to the coastal villagers is a bare need to protect their family and property during coming days. But it was very challenging job to identify land and convince the people to shift to the new place. However, we have completed the job in time.
In Ganjam district, 5 blocks have been taken under ODRP, where nearly 107 villages have been covered. In those 107 villages, around 16,000 beneficiaries were selected and identified and approved in the Police Sabha.
Odisha Disaster Recovery Project is taken up by OSTMA by the help of World Bank in Chhatarpur block in the last 2 years. It is from 0 to 5 km from the sea line. We have taken up 2,306 houses in our area, in which beneficiaries are given good Pakka houses which are cyclone resilient and they can give shelter in their houses in future calamities.
People have a natural attachment to their place of residence. In spite of adversities, they want to live where they used. In situ settlements had lesser problems, but ex situ habitations took a lot more persuasion by community mobilization.
बात्या परे ए दंडपाणी प्रधान और भरत प्रधान घर एभली अवस्था रे थिला सेमानंकु ओस्डमा तरफरु घर दिया जाई एबे सेमाने ए घरे अवस्थान करछन.
Beneficiaries are involved in the process throughout, contributing their own money and labor to increase value and ownership of the interventions. This required a lot of mobilization, motivation, and training, but the will and determination paved the way.
12/10/2013 मसीहार फाइलिन IMD रिपोर्ट पाइला परे जिलापालंकर निर्देश मुखे आम प्रथम ब्लॉक लेवल रे मीटिंग करथिलु सब पीआरए मेंबर मान को नहीं सब ऑफिशियल को नहीं एवं 11/10 रे जेतेले कन्फर्मेशन आसिला आम 11/10 राति सुधा 42,000 लोकों को टेम्पोरारी शेल्टर को स्थानांतर करथिलु जद्वारा कि रंगेलगुंडा ब्लॉक रे जीरो काजुअलिटी हेतिला.
स्वच्छ भारत मिशन रे 12,000 टंका जो मिलुजी तांको टॉयलेट बाथरूम पई तांको आमे लेआउट देके तांकर काम करूछु टॉयलेट बाथरूम रो.
After construction of individual houses, focus shifted to construction of public infrastructure. It included roads, common drains, sewer lines from individual houses, electricity lines, water supply systems, and community halls. A total station survey was commissioned for all relocation sites to obtain the as-built maps, identify approach roads, drain outfall points. These maps were used by a special team of planners, architects, and engineers to develop the infrastructure drawings, prepare bill of quantities, and using the rate analysis for specific sites, prepare cost estimates in the form of detailed project reports.
After filing, there was a huge devastation in the district. Mainly our coastal blocks were badly affected. So many kacha houses has been damaged and few pakka houses also damaged. So government of Odisha in coordination with World Bank, they have came up with the idea to provide pakka houses to all kacha house families staying between 0 to 5 kilometer of the from the high tide line. It was decided कि block will implement this project. Tahsildars will identify the beneficiaries, and again Gram Sabha, through Gram Sabha beneficiary list will be approved. Again for mass mobilization, for the construction purpose, for the awareness purpose, Gram Vikas was assigned by the OSDMA.
मुझे लोगों को जो घर करने बताई ये आणिकी लोक मोबिलाइज करी निजर घर निजे तैयारी कर आज लोक माने घर निजर घर छाड़ी गाँव निजर घर छाड़ी ये आसिक रोच
The project is now in various stages of completion. At some places, people have already moved into and occupied the houses. They now have a better and much safer place to stay.
గాలి తుఫానుకి గౌరవ మనుషులు వచ్చి ఒక ఊరు తీసుకెళ్ళారు. ఆ ఊరు తీసుకెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అక్కడ మాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. హెల్ప్ చేసి మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి మా ఊరికి వచ్చేసరికి మాకు ఇల్లు వాకాలు ఏటి లేవు, అన్నీ కూలిపోయినాయి. కూలిపోతే మేము తోటకు వచ్చాము. తోటకు వచ్చి అప్పుడు కుండలు పెట్టుకుని వంట చేసుకున్నాము. అప్పుడే మా పరిస్థితి చూసి గవర్నమెంట్ మనుషులు వచ్చి మాకు సహకారం చేశారు. సహకారం చేయగా మా ఆడవాళ్ళు మగవాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ కష్టపడి ఈ ఇల్లు పని చేసుకుంటున్నాము.
మా ఊర్లో తుఫాను వచ్చింది. దాని తర్వాత ఇల్లు వాకళ్ళు అన్నీ పోయాయి. మేము చాలా అలరైపోయాము. గవర్నమెంట్ చూశారు, మాకు ఇల్లు ఇచ్చారు, కట్టుకుంటున్నాము. చాలా ఖుషీలో ఉన్నాము. అందరు పరివారలాగా ఒక దగ్గరకు వచ్చేస్తున్నాము. చాలా బాగానే ఉన్నాము.
ఏ మందిర్ పై ఆమె गाँ पूरा एक सब संदास करी ए गाँ अनुष्ठान पे मंदिर पे आम सब कष्ट पड़ी मंदिर टेकी.
Government of Orissa through OSTMA is implementing the ODRP project, Orissa Disaster Recovery Project, under assistance from World Bank. And this project is being implemented right now in Ganjam and Khurda district. We expect to construct around 18,000 houses for the affected people whose houses were totally damaged in Cyclone Phylline.
Disasters cannot be wished away. They cannot be stopped. Preparedness, relief, and recovery are key to effectively mitigate the disasters. If Phylline was a challenge, Government of Odisha, OSTMA, Gram Vikas, with planned community participation, have set an example to overcome that challenge in the most professional, dedicated, and effective manner.